In this video, I will show you how you can use the built-in ruler on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Display. Under the Display settings, if you scroll down, you will find the option for Edge Panels. And just tap on Edge Panels, and from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Edge Panel. After you do that, you will enable the Edge Panel on your Samsung phone. Now to add the built-in ruler to the Edge Panel, just scroll down and tap on Panels, and from here, just swipe to the left side and select Tools. After you select Tools, then just go to your home screen and swipe from the side of your Samsung phone and open the Edge Panel. Now if you swipe from the side again, you will open the Tools section. Now just tap on the three dots over here. Now instead of compass, just select ruler. Now after you do that, you will open the built-in ruler on your Samsung phone. As you can see, it is currently on centimeter, but if you tap on it, it will shift to inches. Now if you want to calibrate the ruler, just tap on calibrate, and from here you can swipe up or swipe down and you can calibrate the ruler just like that. And once you're done calibrating the ruler, then just tap on done, and by doing that, you'll calibrate the built-in ruler of your Samsung phone just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.